Welcome to France, a country of romance, art, and breathtaking landscapes. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to the serene vineyards of Bordeaux, France offers a tapestry of experiences that captivate the heart and soul. Join us as we explore the beauty and charm of this remarkable destination. Paris, the city of light, is a dream for many travelers. The Eiffel Tower stands as a symbol of romance and elegance. Enjoy a leisurely picnic in the nearby gardens, or take a ride to the top for stunning views of the city skyline. Wander through the charming streets of Montmartre, where artists like Picasso and Van Gogh found inspiration. Explore quaint cafes, lively street performances, and the breathtaking Sacré-Coeur Basilica, perched high above the city. Discover the rich history of France through its stunning architecture. Marvel at the gothic beauty of Notre-Dame Cathedral and explore the world-renowned Louvre Museum, home to masterpieces like the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo. Beyond the city, France's countryside is a treasure trove of beauty. From the lavender fields of Provence to the rolling vineyards of Bordeaux, each region offers a unique flavor of French life. Visit charming villages, savor local wines, and immerse yourself in the tranquility of rural France. Head to the stunning French Riviera, where glamorous beaches meet crystal-clear waters. Explore vibrant markets in Nice, relax in luxury resorts, or take a stroll along the famous Promenade d'Anglade. The glamour and beauty of this coastline are simply unforgettable. No visit to France is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. From fresh baguettes and artisan cheeses to exquisite pastries, French cuisine is a feast for the senses. Enjoy a meal at a cozy bistro, savoring every bite of classic dishes like coq au vin or ratatouille. France is more than a destination, it's an experience that awakens the senses and captures the imagination. With its rich history, stunning landscapes, and culinary delights, every moment spent here becomes a cherished memory. Are you ready to fall in love with France?